Hey guys, my name's Rhianna and I'm one of the sales outfitters with Colton RV. I'm here to show you my camper today. So what I have is a 2016 vintage cruiser that I purchased from one of our dealerships this summer. So we're just here to go through it and show you what I've done with it and how I use my camper. On the outside, we have like power awning, LED lights, outside speakers. So, you know, it's almost bill season. We could put our TV outside, hang out here, do a little tailgating. One of my favorite parts of this camper is just this door. I have two big dogs, and with it having this kind of fencing there, it helps to keep them in the camper. I don't have to worry about them ripping the screen and getting out. So that's a really great outside feature for me.
Plenty of storage.
Yeah. So we have tons of storage here with the pass-through. So this is just where we keep all of our things for hitching. That stuff all stays in there. We have our hoses in there. We use some bags to kind of keep that stuff separated and organized. On the front, we have two big AGM batteries and two 20-pound propane tanks. We like to be able to go boondocking and dry camping and not have to plug in everywhere we go. So that's why we upgraded to the AGM batteries. So we can go on in. So this is my camper. So I love the retro vibe, obviously the vintage. It was my first choice in camper for that reason. So I really just like to personalize it, add a couple things to make it feel like home.
I like how the color continues inside, even on the fridge. Did you paint the fridge?
No, the fridge came like this.
That's awesome.
So the fridge came like this. All the teal came like this except for the radio. Colton RV installed a new radio for me and they put this teal base behind it. So yeah, a little accent. I've got some pictures here hung up with command strips. You know, command strips are great for the campers. You don't have to worry about things falling off the walls when you're driving. They're pretty strong. Yeah, just little table toppers, you know, from Big Lots. We have this storage in here that I love. So I have this nice and organized. So we have this little bungee cord so this doesn't fly open when we're driving. But when we open it up, we have all of our bowls here, just plastic everything. We don't have anything glass just in case. And then in this drawer, just all of our utensils. I just have it organized with little baskets. Nothing crazy, keep it simple, but we have...
Everything is that color.
Yeah, of course, everything is teal. Everything is teal. We went shopping quite a bit. And then up here, you know, we got utensils. I like this so we can take it out and just put it on the counter when we get to camp. And then my friend bought me these. So I got lots of little gifts, camper warming gifts. In this cabinet, I've noticed everything was kind of flying out when we were driving. It's gonna happen. So I kind of combated that with these baskets. So this was 10 bucks at Walmart. It came with the two sizes. So there's like smaller ones, bigger ones. We have our dog treats in there, flashlights, books. So
It's pretty much like an overhead cabinet on a plane.
yeah,
Especially
exactly.
When you're driving down the road, everything's
Yep,
right
so it was like this one. All the books would be over here. So that keeps everything contained. We got some paintings. My best friend did that one. I have a small little decal here too. I mean, we got the full bathroom here if you want us to do it through. I picked out the curtains. I took the curtains out when I bought it for some reason.
There's lots of storage.
Yeah, there's tons of storage in here. I haven't even used all the cabinets yet. I know, eventually. Those ones are empty for now. I also have over here this little storage area by the stairs. So we have this bin of dog toys here, so they know their stuff is there, and then just extra blankets back there. We notice with the dogs, we always need extra blankets.
And the cat too. Right?
And the cats, yeah, the cats come camping, so yeah. So I mean, that's really it.
Awesome. Thank you very much for showing us around.
Absolutely, it's my pleasure.
Cool.